So, your site traffic just dropped off a cliff, and you're worried it's a Google penalty. Let's talk.
Yeah, it's a scary feeling, but don't worry, there is a way to bounce back from this.
The secret? Fix the real problems. Don't just guess what Google wants you to do.
So how do you even get a penalty in the first place? Let's break down the common triggers.
It's usually aggressive automation, or even just linking all your sites in one Search Console account.
Okay, don't panic. Here's a simple 5-step plan to get you started on recovery right now.
First, find the problem. Then clean it up. Separate your sites. Then you can think about appealing.
Look, this is actually a huge opportunity. You can build something even stronger and more resilient now.
To make sure this never happens again, you got to get back to basics. Master the fundamentals.
And what's wild is that most of SEO really just boils down to 3 simple things. That's it.
Pillar 1, smart keyword research. Find what people search for when they're actually ready to act. Next, Pillar 2, content that's actually useful. Solve a real problem. Just be helpful, that's the goal. And finally, Pillar 3, links that matter. A few great links are way more powerful than tons of junk.
So, those are the fundamentals. But let's talk about the big one, AI. How do you use it safely?
See, AI is great for some tasks, but for things like nuance and intent, a human is absolutely essential.
Think of AI as your assistant, not your writer. It's a tool to help you, not replace you.
Okay, here's a secret weapon for building trust. Just be totally open about your work. Seriously.
Because here's the thing, people trust you when you show the whole journey, mistakes and all.
This is how you build a real audience, one that's actually invested in what you're doing. So, I'll leave you with this. What if your biggest mistake is actually your greatest asset?
Ultra SEO, we're the key to the top, turning rankings around. We'll never stop. We take your dreams, give them